I'm assuming this is the lasun chutney, and this here is the egg curry. What's up, Pune? If you are wondering where is the best place to have mutton and chicken thali, stay tuned and keep watching this video right until the end, because I will be taking you to one such place today. The flags are waving high and I am at this place called Wada. We are in a place called Sutarwadi. Just check the view there, beautiful hill, and this is the Mumbai-Bangalore highway. Alright, so let's go inside and check out this place Wada. So I've heard from my friend Rushikesh and some of my other friends as well that they serve authentic Maharashtrian cuisine here. And check this out, as soon as you enter, there are some lovely plants, lot of seating here on this side, and there is a tulsi plant here. And look at this image right here of Shivaji Maharaj. It looks so grand with this incense stick here. Alright, and if you see, this is a huge space, and on that side there are tables, on this side there are tables as well, so a lot of people are seated here. This is the reception area, and this gentleman inside, he is the owner of the restaurant. They even have a lovely Instagram page. I will be chatting with him. He is very busy right now. He is waving out to us, but in 2 minutes I will talk to you, and I will be going inside the kitchen. And look at this, they have a lot of stuff here on display, so many masalas that you can buy, and we are waiting here to get a seating right here. So you have to get your footwear off here, and just look at this, they have a low seating, very authentic Maharashtrian style seating here. So we'll be going in there. We are just waiting for a table to get vacant. It's a Sunday afternoon, there are a lot of people here. Once the seat is vacant, I'll be going there. Okay, so this is where, right, so this is where the action happens. And just look at the kitchen here, it's a huge kitchen, and this is where the action happens. And I have here this gentleman with me, he's the owner. I'm here with Mr. Rohit. He is busy, he's on the mic, constantly giving out orders, and this is where they serve out of. Okay, so let's have a quick chat with Mr. Rohit. तुमच्या या रेस्टॉरंटला किती वर्ष झाले? टोटल 5 वर्ष झाले आपल्या. याच्या आधी एक छोटं रेस्टॉरंट होतं. ओके. पण इथे वाडाला 5 वर्ष झाले. 5 वर्ष. ओके. आणि इथे वीकेंड्सला जास्त क्राऊड असते. नाही, वीकडेजला पण असते. असं काही नाही, फक्त सोमवार आणि गुरुवार थोडीशी रश कमी असते. हां. मंगळवार, बुधवार आणि वीकेंडला तर असतेच असते. ओके. आणि हे मोस्टली चिकन, मटन थाली गावरान स्टाईल मध्ये? असं काहीच नाहीये ऍक्च्युली. म्हणजे वाडा म्हणलं की बरेच जणांना वाटतं तसं, परंतु तसं काही नाही. आपल्याकडे सर्व म्हणजे चायनीज आहे, तंदूर आहे, त्याच्यानंतर महाराष्ट्रीयन आहे आणि पंजाबी फूड पण आहे सगळं. आणि महाराष्ट्रीयन मध्ये व्हेज आणि नॉन व्हेज दोन्ही आहे. व्हेज मध्ये पण आपल्याकडे पुरणपोळी पासून सर्व आयटम्स आहेत. पुरणपोळी थाळी, आमरस थाळी सीझनला असते, दही धपाटा टिपिकल महाराष्ट्रीयन दही धपाटा असतं, मासवडी थाळी असते. ओके. So guys, interesting long menu, and Mr. Rohit is famous on Instagram. He has a page on Instagram called Hotel Vada. Make sure you follow that page. Alright, so I will leave him for a moment and I will go inside the kitchen. So let me take you on a short tour. So if you look at the stuff here, just see how many eggs are there. Look at the amount of chicken that's here. This guy here is peeling the eggs, and guys, they are cooking this on wood fire. So this is such cool stuff, guys. And look at the huge pots of handi. इसमें क्या है भैया? मटन, चिकन रस्सा, और ये सूप. ओके. ऑलराइट. अंडा मसाला. ओके. So just look at the stuff here. Okay. So lots of stuff here, and now let's go on to that side. They are making some rotis there. Just look at this. I can see lot of stuff happening here, guys. Already my mouth is watering, and I want to see what else is happening there. So guys, this gentleman here is chopping the garlic, and look at this. This is a huge drum. I'm guessing something is getting cooked in there. And look at this, guys. So this is where they make the roti, and okay, that's the rice section there. So guys, a huge space. I don't want to take up a lot of the time. Oh, and I saw something interesting there. I guess that is where the chapatis and bhakris are made of. So we saw a similar scene in Hotel Gayatri. Just look at these ladies here. They are the ones who are making the bhakri and the chapatis. So they are making this in a typical village style here. So guys, you will be getting fresh bhakris along with your thali. So guys, I'm excited for this one. Let's wait until we get our mutton and chicken thali. Alright guys, so we have found a comfortable corner spot here. Look at this, and this is the section that we were waiting for. So this is the inside section here where people are seated on a low seating. This is the cushion here, and that's the big table. So we are seated here. That's Adrian and my mom. So they are pretty excited about this place because the ambience here is very typical Maharashtrian, something which will remind you of one of those movies about the Maratha kingdom. Alright, so let's have a look at the menu now. Look at this guys. So even the menu is in this orange color. It's called Bhagwa color, and look at this. It is a big menu. I will quickly take you through this menu. So they have lot of appetizers here, and along with appetizers they have lots of starters. So they have paneer, they have chicken, they have mutton, they even have fish, and they have something called matka special. Again, lot of starters, matka handi. As we saw, the kitchen is huge, so you know, obviously they will have a lot of stuff on their menu. So many people have already come here. This place is almost packed. Okay, so this is the veg section. As you can see, you can go through it. I'm not going to read out all the dishes here. And this is the chicken and fish section. Alright, and this is the mutton gauran section. Okay, so this is the egg section, and they have rotis, drinks, veg thali. Okay, that's about it. And this is the non-veg thali section. So once you enter this section, you have to take off your footwear there. Right there, if you see in the distance, there is a cupboard, and below that cupboard you have to take off that footwear of yours. And as I mentioned earlier, we are seated here in this corner section, and I can just see from the look of everyone's expression, everybody is smiling and everyone is having a great time here. It's already very crowded, and I've gone through the menu. I spoke to Mr. Rohit, and he has recommended me, thank you, he has recommended me the mutton thali and the chicken gauran. So we are 3 of us, and I think that will be sufficient for us. My mom might have something in veg. We just placed our order. I changed my mind, and so did Adrian. We are tempted to go for the Vada special mutton thali. So we have ordered 2 of those, and mom has gone for the Indrani rice along with something called ukkad chicken. So ukkad means it's boiled. It doesn't have a lot of masala in it. And guess what? I just spoke to the gentleman here. He told me the bhakri, chapati, rasa, rice and soup is unlimited. Our first starter, you can say, for today is the chicken ukkad, which my mom wanted to have with the rice. So look at this, it's very soupy. Let me just quickly taste this for you guys. It's very flavorful. It's warm. I can taste different sort of herbs in it, and the texture of the chicken is very good as well. Let's get a piece of this. So this is something, if you don't want to eat a spicy meal, if you want something that is light on your stomach, you should go for this. This is called the chicken ukkad. Meat again is tender, very nice to ignite your taste buds before you start having the thali. So guys, right here is the Vada special mutton thali. Okay, and let me start from this side. So I have gone for the bhakri. Look at the size of this bhakri. It is a huge bhakri. So this one is the bajra bhakri, and you need to make sure once you get this, you have to have it quickly, otherwise it gets tough. So let me taste the mutton rasa with this. So there are 2 pieces of mutton in the mutton rasa, and a classic combination spicy mutton rasa with the bajra bhakri. And let me taste the mutton here. Mutton is very soft. Alright guys, so now let's move on to the second thing here, and this is the mutton sukka. So what I like about this thali is they are very generous with their mutton pieces. I can see mutton all over the thali. Mutton sukka is super tasty and very soft. The mutton is not chewy, and just look at the quantity of the pieces that they have given. So there are nearly like 8 to 9 pieces. Now let me taste the vajdi. Guys, so far both the dishes are too good. This actually is the kaleji. So I know a lot of people don't like kaleji. I love it. I even like the chicken liver. So kaleji is a bit dry, that's why I'm dipping this in the mutton rasa. Super taste guys. And now it's time to go for the vajdi. Again, vajdi is not liked by a lot of people. Even Adrian does not like the vajdi, but you can see her, she is thoroughly enjoying the mutton thali, and that's my mom having the dal khichdi. So she's going to take some pieces of her mutton. Yeah, there she is taken a piece. So guys, this is the vajdi. Vajdi again is spicy, very soft, not at all chewy. And what's this? This is the soup. Soup again is very good. It tastes a bit similar to the ukkad that we had. And guess what guys, in this mutton thali they've even given us this chutney. I'm assuming this is the lasun chutney, and this here is the egg curry. So guys, I have cracked open this egg here, and let's try this. Everything 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yummy. Now let's try the sol kadhi. Sol kadhi again is very flavorful. It's cool. And this is the roasted papad. Roasted papad is the regular rigid papad, and obviously if you are having a Maharashtrian thali, you need to have onions and tomatoes. And this here looks like the lasun chutney. No, it's not. It's actually a peanut chutney. So this reminded me of the chutney that we got from Mahabaleshwar that we had gone to recently. We created a video. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you do so. So guys, this right here is the Wada special mutton thali. Delicious, totally worth it. I guess the price is around 500 rupees, but I will just double check that and I will put that in the description for you guys. So far thali has been great. I'm going to finish this off, and once I'm done with this, I'll give you some more details about this place. The thali was great. It was a little spicy, not too spicy, although we told them that we didn't want something that was very spicy. Taste was good. The best part was there were a lot of mutton pieces in the thali. And guys, this is just one of the places where you can have amazing mutton thali in Pune. There are many more places. You should check the videos out on my channel. So hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Until next time, take care, stay safe and stay positive.